Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Applied Biochemists Gold-N-Clear. What is Gold-N-Clear? The concentrated formula of Gold-N-Clear from Applied Biochemists uses color-changing technology to show that it's working. Watch the product change from gold to blue as it removes microparticles, leaving the water sparkling clear. Regular use of Gold-N-Clear helps your filter do its job more efficiently. Product benefits: clears cloudy swimming pool water fast. Apply regularly to help pool filter run more efficiently. Works with all sanitizers including bromine, chlorine, saltwater, ozone, minerals, and biguanide. Usage directions: for best results, use this product after filter cleaning or backwashing. Dilute product per instructions on the bottle. Add the treatment dose to a pail filled with water, then apply directly to the pool along its edge. Circulate water for several hours. Dosage: initial treatment, 1 fluid ounce per 10,000 gallons of water. Maintenance dosage, light swimmer loads, 1 fluid ounce per 6,000 gallons of water every 2 weeks. Maintenance dosage, heavy swimmer loads, 1 fluid ounce per 6,000 gallons of water every week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.